I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Talking to myself. Said you gotta go get it. Yeah. Don't stay long, don't stay long. Walk into my future, I'll make it everything I intended. Won't be long, won't be long, won't be long. I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, shine, shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Oh, I know I'm gonna shine. Oh, I know I'm gonna shine, yo. Oh, I know I'm gonna shine. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Oh, I know I'm gonna shine. Oh, I know I'm gonna shine. I know I'm gonna shine. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Kulba. Kulba. Tas kulbaron. Malipayon nga sagol yung mahilak ba.
Scale to 1 to 10. 10. Kay Nana Jud, makabara Jud yung stress.
Have you not read that from the beginning the Creator made them male and female and said, for this reason a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh.
Nga, kuan, naara ko diri. Kasi wala yung parents. Naara ko. Basta. Pero to naara ko.
Charlene, do you take John Philip here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
John Philip, do you take Charlene here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Love. Kabala man jud ka nga. Unsa jud ka stress. Murag destiny lang pud guro ni nga. Kaslo namin kay mga tigulang namin. Murag nanapod ni stable nga job. Mag-build na sa mong family.
So also, Charlene, a person becomes a woman according to the Bible when she decides to leave her family and join to the man that would complete your life.
Di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ko. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abot.
Kung kaloyan man nga makabuot ha, ako adyo ipaningkamutan nga mapadako umayo paskwela man ang kamutang duha jud na sa to ang goal nga makabalay.
Ang ako lang mensahe para sa to ang kuan. Karon minyo naman kita. Nya kaning adlaw special gini nato kay atong pangandoy man ni nato. Sa una pa man, no, di ba?
Wala pa, pero pinakalit.
Kuan nag-ipon kita ni para sa agad. Walay mo kanang babag sa atong pangandoy. Mora na akong makuan. I love you. Love you, love.
Sabi lang.
Bye.
palagi.